Learn to invite friends, order food, make plans, and more. Let's learn now. Let's go!
Would you like to go to the Mexican restaurant today? Yes, I would like to. Great. Let's ask Sylvia.
I have a lot of pages to read for the quiz tomorrow.
Are you still studying?
Yes, I am.
We are going to that Mexican restaurant on the North Campus. Would you like to go?
I'd like to, but I can't. I need to study for a test.
Would you like us to bring some food for you?
Yes, I'd love that.
What would you like?
I'd like a beef taco and a chicken burrito.
Got it, coming right up. Making a plan together. Would you like to go to the Mexican restaurant? Use this structure to invite someone to do an activity with you.
How to answer an invitation.
The listener. Yes, I would like to. I'd like to, but I can't. I need to study for a test. Never just say no. Always give a reason.
How to offer help in English. A quick visual guide to polite offers and friendly replies.
Oh no! The kitchen is a disaster!
Would you like some help with the cooking?
Would you like us to bring some food for you? Yes, I'd love that.
Do you want food? Would you like us to bring some food for you? To offer help politely, use would you like instead of do you want? Would you like, the polite opening, us, to bring some food? Always use to plus verb. For you, let's start with a polite starter. Next, we add who is helping. Then comes the specific action word. Finally, we add some extra details.
Ordering food.
What would you like? I'd like a beef taco and a chicken burrito. Add what to ask for specific items.
Leo, would you like to come to the Mexican restaurant with us?
I'd like to, but I have a seminar in 10 minutes.
Okay, have a good seminar.
Thanks. Have a good lunch.
We are riding a bike out. We are going to the Mexican restaurant.
The restaurant is far, but we are almost there. Yes, riding a bike is faster than walking. Good afternoon. Would you like a table? No, we'd like some food to go. What would you like to order? We'd like 3 beef tacos, 1 chicken burrito, and 2 quesadillas. Yeah, that's right. And maybe some guacamole? Good idea.
Beef tacos, chicken burritos, quesadillas.
Yummy. They smell delicious. Let's eat them.
Invitations for a movie.
Would you like to watch a movie tonight? Yes, I'd like to.
What movie would you like to see?
I'd like to see Scary Movie 6. It's on the movie theaters now.
What time does it start? The next shows are at 7, at 7:15, and at 8.
What time do you want to see it?
It's almost 7, and traffic is a big problem now.
Let's watch at 8. Just the 3 of us?
We can invite more people. Who would you like to invite?
My girlfriend and her roommates.
Great idea! Let's invite them.
Just the 3 of us.
We can invite more people. Who would you like to invite?
Casual, with friends. Who do you want to invite? Polite, softer or nicer? Who would you like to invite?
My girlfriend and her roommates.
I'm gonna knock on the door. We are going to the movies. Would you like to come with us?
Yes, I'd like to. What movie do you want to watch?
We want to see the new
Scary Movie.
Oh, I don't want to see that. I don't really like horror movies. I feel very scared.
It's not a horror movie. It's a parody. It's very funny.
Oh, okay, I'd like to go then.
We want to see the new Scary Movie.
Oh, I don't want to see that. I don't really like horror movies. I feel very scared.
The secret behind a parody. Horror movie. Scary, afraid, I don't want to look. Parody movie. Funny, laughing.
It's a joke.
It's not a horror movie. It's a parody. It's very funny.
Oh, okay. I'd like to go then.
How about you, Clara? Would you like to go to the movies with us?
Well, I'm not sure. I often go to the movies with my boyfriend, but unfortunately he is very far from here.
Yes, but we're here.
Come on, Clara. Would you like to eat some popcorn? The movie theater has the best snacks.
Can we have some nachos and chocolate there too?
Yes, we can buy a combo with all the snacks we want.
How about you, Clara? Would you like to go to the movies with us? Well, I'm not sure. I often go to the movies with my boyfriend, but unfortunately, he is very far from here.
Tracking Clara's feelings. Unfortunately, thinks of boyfriend. Yes, but we are here. Friends offer support. Sparks! Here's about snacks.
How do you want to get there? By taxi?
Oh. Why don't we walk there? It's only 4 blocks from here.
When you accept an invitation, you ask follow-up questions. You said yes. Now ask questions to make a good plan. The 3 pieces of a plan. 1. What to do. 2. When to go. 3. How to get there.
What movie would you like to see?
I'd like to see Scary Movie 6.
What time does it start? The next shows are at 7, at 7:15, and at 8 o'clock. What time do you want to see it? I want to see it at 8 p.m. What time would you like to see it? I'd like to see it. I'd like to see it at 8 p.m. How do you want to get there? By taxi? No. Let's walk there.
Let's go, guys. I want to get there early to buy the snacks and to watch the movie trailers.
Americans call it movie theater or the movies. British call it cinema.
I need to go to the restroom. Can you buy my ticket?
Yeah, sure.
Here's some cash. Good evening. Welcome to West Village Cinema. How can I help you?
Hi, we would like 6 tickets.
For Scary Movie, please.
Hello, Professor Williams. Which movie are you going to see?
We're gonna see The Devil
Wears Prada 2. How about you?
Oh, my friends and I are going to see Scary Movie.
What time would you like to see it? We have it at 8 and at 8:30.
The 8 p.m. show, please.
Where would you like to sit?
You can choose your seats on the screen.
Cinema vocabulary. Finding your row. The screen. Row A, near the screen. Row C, row D, not very near. Row E.
Where do you prefer to seat?
Let's sit on row C. It's near the screen, but not very near.
Okay.
We would like to seat on row C, starting on C6.
Perfect. Let me get those for you. How would you like to pay?
One part in cash and the rest by credit cards.
Here are the 6 tickets.
What time would you like to see it?
The 8 p.m. show, please.
Seats.
Where would you like to sit? We would like to sit on row C.
Starting on C6.
Pay.
How would you like to pay?
One part in cash and the rest by credit cards.
Good evening. What would you like to order? We'd like a large popcorn, nachos, and some chocolate bars.
Woo! Wow, they look delicious.
Yeah.
And they smell delicious, too. Oh no, he grabbed me.
We are